Hello beauties and welcome back. This is Wangali with Two Chic Chicks here to bring you a video on I would have called it an unboxing, but I've already unboxed this and I have worn it. So I guess I will call this an introduction. How about that? Okay, so today I have a introduction of a handbag. I got excited about this handbag. And my husband purchased the handbag for me, so let me just say that first. And it was a surprise to me. It would be my first luxury handbag that I've gotten. So when it came in the mail, because he ordered it, so here's the box. It came in, and that's my information there. But it's nothing really, anything extraordinary about the box or anything, but it came in and it had my name on it, and I was like, oh, I didn't order anything. You know, my husband said, I got something for you. I was like, oh, okay. So I was like, well, let me video it. And then I put it aside because I wanted to video the unboxing of the handbag. Well, ladies, it never came down to an unbox. It just got to the point, I want to open it so I can see what it is. Because he didn't tell me exactly what he bought me. He didn't say it was a luxury handbag or anything. He just said, I bought you something. And he said it was something you would want to unbox, you know. And I was like, okay. Well, I unboxed it, and like I said, I wore it. So, never to say, let's get into what I've already unboxed and have used already. Okay, so like I said, it came in this box, and I've already opened it. And he got this from The Real. Now I'm gonna tell you, there's no frills or thrills. I put it back in the box when I wasn't using it so I could be able to bring it to show you what it came, how it came packaged. So this is what it looked like when it came. You see this? No frills or thrills, nothing like that. This is the receipt card it came in. And then on the back of it says, style, all who have it share one thing, originality. And let's see what this looks like. And then this is the inside of it. And here's the receipt and everything. And then information on, you know, the website and other stuff like that. So I'm gonna put that aside. Now, what came on this handbag, this tag was on the handbag already. You know, I took that tag off so I could carry the handbag. And it didn't come with an original dust cloth or anything. Dust bag. It did not. It came in a real dust bag. The real dust bag. Okay, so now the story behind this, I saw this handbag. Well, I've seen it before, but I fell real in love with it maybe about 2.5 years ago. And I found out that, you know, some of the top stores like Macy's and some of the others, I don't know if Macy does it, but I'm trying to think, Von Mar does it, where they sell some vintage handbags. And when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh. And I had just gotten into wearing crossbodies, and this handbag is a messenger bag, and I was just so excited about it. And then when I came back, it was gone, you know, and I was like, well, if I ever run across it again, I'll get it. And then I kept thinking about it. I guess my husband was like, you know, okay, I'll go ahead and get it for you. So here it is, my first Louis Vuitton. It is a messenger bag. This is how it came in the dust bag right here. I think it is gorgeous. I am in heaven with it. And it is the Louis Vuitton Tango messenger bag. Well, don't say messenger bag. Don't let me tell that lie. It says Tango something. I'll put the name of it down for you. So it's just a flap over. And it did come with this on the inside. So let me take all that bubble stuff out. And this is the strap. Now the strap has a couple of different notches so you can, you know, take it however far of a length, change out the length that you need it to be. And it just has one big pocket on the inside. Ooh, try to show that to you. It's one big pocket. It has two pockets over here. That could have been like a years ago when you get a cell phone in there. You can't get a cell phone in there today. And then it has another pocket right here. And the tag is right here. And this is a pre-loved item. The back of this is just it's not a leather, it's canvas. So all this is just a canvas handbag, and the only thing that's leather is the strap and the trim. That's the only thing that would be of leather. And I am over the moon with her. I mean, I love it. And this is the large size. So this is about 14 inches in height right here. So I do remember that part. But I have worn it. Took a picture of it on Instagram. And I am in heaven. Like I said, I was so excited when I got this, and I thanked him and thanked him and thanked him for it. So I am more than happy to have this handbag. And I'm gonna tell you, once you buy a little luxury, you wanna keep getting luxury. So hopefully I'm getting ready to get a wallet to go with this. But yeah, this is so beautiful. And it was nicely kept. It doesn't, and I keep wanting to say this is Fashetta leather, and I know it's not Fashetta. This is like 2000, if I'm not mistaken, of a handbag. So it's like 20 years old, about 18 years old now. I'm sorry, math off. But the leather is really nice. It's not too discolored, you know, from hands wearing and stuff. The side is a little darker than the handle though. The trim, I mean, is a little darker than the strap, I must say. But outside that, I must say, it is in great shape. And this inside might be a little creasy wrinkly if you can see that. But outside that, but that's not on show. So that's not bad. That is definitely not on show for me. Now the one problem I do have, I will say there is a con thus far. And the con is this strap piece right here. It doesn't stay down, so that could keep from flapping in the wind. I don't want this to turn up. And how the person before me has kept it from doing that, I don't know, because it seems like it just want to turn up on me. But I'm going to see if I can keep it from turning up. But that won't stay there, and if you bring it too far down, it just slides. On the real, let me tell you, the packaging sucks. So the real, pick up the packaging. I mean, make me excited to be opening up this bag, this box from you. I mean, it was just like, ugh. Could you not just make it a little bit more something? But they didn't. But his shopping experience was, he said it was just click, and he bought it, and it was here. So it took maybe, I think he ordered it, and it could have taken about maybe 4 or 5 days to get here, because he didn't do no expediting shipping or anything else. But but that was fine. I didn't know it was coming, so that was all right. So my first luxury pre-love, I must say I am over the moon about it. I am so happy to have this item. I was, like I said, I wasn't expecting it, so it was something great. And I tell you, I love it. So you will be seeing this more and more. That is it, and I will show you a few mod shots of this handbag. I would like to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, it wasn't an unboxing, but an introduction of my new handbag. And I will be carrying this puppy quite a bit. It's my first one, it's my only one right now. So you will see a lot of this handbag in quite a few shots. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am over there at 2 Chic Chicks, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, give this a thumbs up if you enjoy luxury purchase. So, Until the next time, bye-bye.
Feel the way I do, I gotta take control.